All right. If you want to learn how to make online income fast, easy, the way the big gurus do, I'm going to teach you right now, right here, step by step, for free. You will be able to do this. You will be able to get into this for free, zero risk. All right. I'm going to go quickly, so pay attention. Watch the video to the end. All right, I'm going to show you how the big gurus are making huge money with faceless social media channels. This is going to be disruptive, it's going to be different, and it's going to be simple and easy, and you're going to be able to do it for free. Check this out. I'm going to show you step by step. Pay attention. Here we go. All right, let's get into the process of creating faceless social media channels that will make us money in two different ways. We have two ways to monetize our faceless channels. So right now, I'm going to show you really quickly, and you'll be able to do this. I'm going to give you free software. I'm going to give you links to all of the tools that I use. They're all free. You can do this. So right now, what you can see here is a character that I have created for a particular project that I'm in the process of making. Now, this character and this design, this layout, is going to be for TikTok. You can see it's a TikTok formatted video. Now, if I wanted to format this for YouTube, all I would have to do is click up here and change the aspect ratio, and it would be in landscape instead of portrait. But very simple, very easy. Now, what you can see over here is a script of what I'm going to have this character say. Now, I generated this script with the help of ChatGPT, and I generated the actual graphic of this character with Midjourney. Very simple, very easy. I'll put links to everything down below. But now let me show you what I've done here and exactly how it's going to make money. All right, check this out. Look at what I've done here. Here we go.
Welcome, seekers of love. Tonight, as we sit under the gentle light of the crescent moon, let's explore how the moon's phases can guide us on the path to finding our soulmate. Each phase of the moon holds magic for your journey. Begin with the new moon, a symbol of new beginnings.
Okay, you may have seen these kind of videos before, but they are really, really powerful if you design them the right way and if you use the proper software and the proper script and you target your audience in the proper way. Meaning you have to understand the demographic of the audience you are trying to target. So in this case, I've created this character with a specific demographic in mind. A younger female audience that tends to be on TikTok a lot. Now, why did I choose that demographic, that audience, and why did I design this character in this way? Well, let me show you. All right, here we are on a platform called ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate platform. It's free. And again, I will put links to everything, all of the resources below. All you have to do is click on them and come here. So come to ClickBank, create a free account. Now what I'm showing you here is how the big gurus make big money with faceless YouTube channels. There are two ways to make money. One is you can self-monetize your channel, which is what I'm about to show you. And the second way is you can make money by what the platforms themselves will pay you as a creator. So again, I have made that character with this kind of niche in mind. So right here in the marketplace, there's moon reading, interactive astrology readings that convert like crazy. Now this, I happen to know what this is. This is a combination of astrology and dating. And now if I look down here, here's another product, Divine Prayer, the second best manifestation offer in the world. So things like this will be easily plugged in to my channel, the channel I'm creating. And if you look, this pays an average commission of $22.50 per sale, and this pays $60.44 per sale. Now, what does that mean? That means all I need to do is come here, click on this. I will be given my own link, a URL that is specific to me. I copy that link, and now all I need to do in my videos is refer people to that link, and then I will get paid. Now, we'll get more into that in a minute. Let's get back to our character creation and our channel creation. But now you know how we are going to potentially make a significant amount of money. So again, now maybe this makes more sense to you, this character. And you can see I've reverse engineered the character to appeal to that specific demographic. I can have her say anything I want about dating, about astrology, any of these things that I can monetize. And to make her say what I want is very easy, very simple. Again, all I have to do is import this character with one click into this free software. The link to the software is below. And then I go to ChatGPT and I say something like, create a script for a 3-minute video about, and then whatever the subject is you want her to talk about. And that's it. Then all you have to do is click on this submit button and it will create the video like you have just seen. But there's a little bit more here. I want to show you this. I could post this video as is. I could just click download and I could post it to TikTok, but I like to take things to the next level. So let me show you what I'm going to do with this video. Okay, for the next phase, I want to take the video that I created and I want to amp it up and take it to the next level. So I'm going to use another free software. The link for this software will be below in the video description. But this is very simple, very easy. Now, if this video sounds and looks a little different, it's because I'm doing this on my iPad. I want to demonstrate this on my iPad so you can see this can be done from anywhere with just an iPad. So I have imported my clip here. As you can see, here it is on my timeline. And now all I'm going to do is go through here and add some assets. So for instance, I can add music, I can add sound effects, I can add visuals. For instance, I'm going to click on effects. And now I'm going to click on video effects. And let's just do a for instance here and click on butterflies. And I'll do this.
Good evening, my darlings, and blessings upon you.
And now the video starts with an explosion of butterflies. This is very, very powerful, very cool, all I have to do is click on this check mark and then you can see right here, this has been imported and I can make it last as long as I want. Very, 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 very cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bunch of different effects onto this plain video, and in a minute you're going to see the final result. So what you want to do is you want to click on the link below and get this free software and just come in here and start playing with it. I did this, I accomplished what I'm about to show you with zero training, zero skill. This is all very simple drag and drop stuff. So let's look at the final video. Here it comes.
Good evening, my darlings, and blessings upon you. As we gather tonight under the slender crescent of the new moon, let us explore how each phase of the moon can illuminate our path to finding true love. In the darkness of the new moon, plant the seeds of your heart's deepest desires. Reflect on the attributes you seek in a soulmate and set your intentions. Imagine sending these wishes up to the moon, asking it to bring you closer to your future partner. As the moon waxes to the first quarter, it's time for action. Push beyond your usual boundaries. Whether it's trying new activities or attending social gatherings, each step is crucial. The growing light of the moon symbolizes the blossoming possibilities of new connections. When the full moon bathes us in its complete glow, it's a time for revelation and clarity. Engage deeply with those around you. Share your true self and listen intently to others. This phase brings heightened emotions and connectivity, making it ideal for fostering meaningful relationships. As the moon begins to wane, use this period for introspection and release. Let go of past heartaches and doubts. This cleansing allows you to end one cycle and prepare for the new, just as the moon renews itself. Remember, each cycle of the moon brings a new chance for love and self-discovery. Trust in these phases as you would trust the night to bring dawn. May your journey be as enriching as the moon is constant. May all the wonders of a blessed life be upon you. Cheers.
Okay, so now we have a finished product that we can post to TikTok. We can do this on TikTok, YouTube, any platform we want. But look at what we've done to this point and look at how we've done it. We've created a character. This is going to be a channel that consists of this character. She is going to be posting videos on a consistent basis. You have to post a couple of these videos a day if you want to be successful. At the minimum, you want to be able to post maybe 3 videos a week. Now, this video I created could have easily had a call to action. A call to action would be where she would say, check the link in my bio for more information. Now, let me show you where that becomes important. Now, remember, we're going to monetize our channel in 2 ways. We can get paid by the platform, sure, but that's not where the big money usually is. The big money is in self-monetization. So we can put links to products like this all throughout our channel. And here's how we're going to do it. We are going to use a link tool like the one I'm showing you right now. Now this will consolidate your links. This will give you the ability to put links to a lot of different products right in your one clickable biography link. So when people go to your bio on TikTok, they will see all the different things that they might be interested in. So you could have a button for dating. Click here for dating info. Click here for manifestation info. All of these different links, whatever you want to promote as an affiliate, you want to use a link consolidator. This is the one that I use, and the reason that I use it is because it's got great analytics and you can retarget. Now, I'm not going to teach you all of that here. You can click the link below and it will take you where you can sign up for this link consolidator for free. So that's it in a nutshell. You have the basics. You have enough to make money right now. If you want more in-depth tutorials on this, follow, like, and share. And I will make more videos on this subject for you, but as it stands, you have plenty. And we've accomplished everything with just a few clicks. We haven't needed to put our face on camera. All the tools are linked below, and they are all 100% free for you to get going and get in business. This is a business, and it's big business, and it can make you a lot of money if you just follow through. All right, maximum respect. All the best. Cheers.